Research complete.
Hello friends, my name is Pradeep Kumar. Let's start a new tutorial about the servo motor control using potentiometer. This one, tutorial number 7. Okay, now first let's concentrate about the circuit diagram and a component. Okay, now first you need Arduino Uno. Okay, and the potentiometer 10k ohm, and this is our servo motor. Okay, this one. Okay, now let's come on the connection. First, potentiometer. In the potentiometer have a 3 pins. Okay, first, sentry, second, last one is 3. Okay, first pin you need to connect to the 5 volt. Okay, I already using the help of breadboard, and that is the 5 volt. Okay, you need to connect to the 5 volt. Okay, and the center pin is signal pin. You need to connect to the Arduino Uno. I am using the A0 pin. This one, this is the analog. Okay, A0 pin. Okay, and the last one is ground. You need to connect to the ground of your Arduino Uno. You see I already connected to the ground GND like this one is GND. Okay, this is the potentiometer connection. Now let's come on the servo motor. This is servo motor, and the servo motor, this is the wiring. Okay, you see this one is brown is your GND. You need to connect to the GND of negative as like negative, and the center on red pin, that is positive. You need to connect to the 5 volt, that's I'm using from there. Okay, 5 volt, and the last one is your signal pin, yellow wire, and you need to connect to the pin number 8 of your Arduino Uno. You see I already connected to the pin number 8. Okay, this is the connection and the components, guys. Okay, now let's come on the programming part. Open your Arduino Uno. Okay, first I declare the pins here. Okay, first you need to import a servo library hash. I'm and here include. Okay, servo.h. Okay, this is the servo library. Okay, now I'm at int for data. This is potentiometer. I am connected to the A0 pin. Next we need to create a variable of servo. That's why I'm at here servo, and I'm at here my servo. Okay, this is your variable only like this. Okay, now I'm create one variable int value, this one. Okay, now let's come on the word setup. You need to declare once. I'm enter pin mod. Okay, you need to declare the A0, that is potentiometer. I'm enter port data. Okay, comma, that is input like this. You need to define the servo motor. That's why I'm entering my servo dot attach which pin I'm using the pin number 8. Okay, like this. Okay, this is your servo motor pin number 8, and this is your potentiometer A0 pin. Okay, now let's come on the word loop. First I'm using the value. I'm in here value equal to analog read, and which one I'm using the potentiometer POT. This is the potentiometer variable POT data, this one. Okay, the next one is very important. We need to do a mapping, or we can say we need to do a scaling. Okay, because why we are doing scaling? Because potentiometer range is 0 to 1023. Okay, but servo servo range is 0 to 180 degree like this. That's why we need to do a scaling. Okay, now let's create another variable int value 1, this one, and I'm declare value 1. Okay, equal to map. Okay, this is the parameter map, and in this you need to declare, this is potentiometer. You need to declare the variable potentiometer value, comma, the range starting 0 minimum, and the maximum is 1023. This is the potentiometer range 0 to 103. Now you need to enter the scaling. 0, the minimum you need to define 0, and the maximum 1023 you need to declare 180. Okay, if your potentiometer is maximum 1023, that time 180 value is stored in value 1, this one. Okay, this is the scaling part. Okay, now let's about the my servo dot write. Okay, and you need to enter value 1. Okay, let's give the delay 100 like this. Okay, otherwise I'm giving the delay is 15. Yes, now first verify and save your project. Okay, ENCLUD. Okay, include. Now again verify. Okay, V is capital. Okay, that's V is capital because there is V is capital. Okay, that's same here. V is capital. Okay, now again verify. Yes, done. Now click to upload. Okay, now you see upload done. Now what you do? Let's move the potentiometer and you see in the servo motor. You see. Okay, and you see. You see, you can easy to control like this. Okay. Thank you so much guys. If you like this video, please like and subscribe our channel. Thank you so much guys.